In PVSys, component prices can be defined globally in the prices form. Click on this button to add a new component price. First, select the component type. Then, select the manufacturer. Select a reseller from the list, or click here to create a new seller. Then fill in the seller information. When all the information is filled, click on OK. Save the seller to a file. Now, enter the component's price. You can define a discounted price for a large quantity order. Then you click on OK. You can export prices you have defined in order to use them in another workspace. Define the output directory. And use this button to import a price list from an exported file. Select the file you want to import. You can sort prices according to their details. You can also select and delete a price.